Hello po sa inyong lahat at welcome sa Thank God It's a Monday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Ngayon ay June 7, 2021. Apat na araw na lang, Friday na uli. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007 at ginagawa ko po itong report araw-araw na nasimulan ko po noong August noong nakaraang taon. And I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. And if you like content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang balita po natin ay tungkol sa 10 million doses ng bakuna na darating ngayong Hunyo at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, June 7, 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. From the Inquirer.net, PH expects delivery of 10 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines in June. Over 10 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines are expected to arrive in the country by the end of June, the National Task Force Against COVID-19 said on Sunday. Vaccine czar Carlito Galvez Jr. revealed this during the arrival of the 1 million doses of Sinovac Coronavac vaccine at the NAIA yesterday. Galvez said the scheduled vaccine deliveries from June include 5.5 million doses of Coronavac, 2.28 million doses of Pfizer vaccine, 2.028 million AstraZeneca doses, 250,000 doses of Moderna, and 10,000 Sputnik V shots for a total of 10.158 million vaccine doses. Wow, I hope na mag-normalize na tayo dito. Shipment of the 1 million doses of Coronavac vaccine delivered on Sunday is included in the 5.5 total. Another 1 million doses are set to arrive on June 10 and the remaining 3.5 million will arrive later this month, according to the NTF. Pfizer and AstraZeneca vaccines through the COVAX facility are set to arrive by June 10 and the third week of June, respectively. Moderna vaccines are set to arrive on June 21 and Sputnik V on June 8. Natutuwa po kami kasi laging steady ang supply ng COVAX facility. Last month, nagkaroon tayo ng more or less 2.2 million doses from COVAX, AstraZeneca, and Pfizer, Galvez said in a statement. So that's our news for today. Meron pa ba? No, wala na. Okay, so let's now take a look at what happened to our Philippine Stock Exchange Index. And hopefully, mukhang magandang balita kaya to? Hindi. So, nagko-consolidate pa rin ang PSEI and it is down 32.42 points or 67.63.92. That's 0.48% below last Friday's close. So, nagpo-pullback pa rin po ang PSEI. So, if you'll notice yung ating PSE index, meron siyang taas pero there is a pullback here. There's another pullback here. Yan, mga pullbacks po yan. Or nagko-consolidate after a surge or a breakout. Ngayon, may I share with you also the commentary, yung technicals ni BDO Nomura, no? On the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. I think kinumpare niya po ito sa Elliott Wave. Yan. So, sabi niya dito, Impulse wave. This refers to a very basic wave. Let me put it up. Sandali lang po. Nakikita niyo na ba? So, sabi niya dito, sa text pic niya, impulse wave refers to a very basic wave pattern found in the Elliott wave theory. The impulse wave is one of the two motive wave patterns and pertains to the main direction of an identified trend. An impulse pattern is comprised of 5 waves, 3 impulse waves in line with the major trend, and 2 corrective waves or temporary pullback of the lesser degree or subwaves. Elliotticians look at this to a certain way where they are in a trend cycle so that they can better plan their trade, which includes projecting a price target and establishing a cut-loss point. According to Elliott, such market projection is possible as each subwave has certain characteristics that occur in similar situations. So, merong waves, sub-impulse wave, ano? Ito yung number 1, and yung 2 to 3, and 4 to 5. So, yung 1 and 2 are the sub-corrective waves. So, kung compare po natin sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange, let's put it back. Yan. Sa PSE index, makikita po natin na merong impulse wave, sub-impulse wave. Ito po yung una. Tapos, yan po. Tapos, merong corrective wave, which is number 2. Tapos, another impulse wave here. Yan. And then, there's another corrective wave. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos, meron pang isang darating according to the Elliott wave theory. Yung 4 to 5. Yan. So, yung wave niya is pag ganyan. Yan. So, ito yung i-connect nga natin. Pag ganyan siya. Yan. Okay? You will be expecting another sub-impulse wave, ano? Yung third sub-impulse wave. And then, after that, ay maaring mag-subside na po. So, based on that, expect another wave of a breakout, no? Breakout of sorts. Ang PSEI po natin, ang market summary naman po natin, so sa market activity naman po, 102 companies advanced, 100 declined while 60 remained unchanged. Yung ating all-share index also declined by 0.22%. Pero yung financials, holding companies, properties, and services are down. But the industrials and mining are up. But yung mga decliners, mas marami po or mas malaki kaysa po dun sa gainers. Kaya po, all in all, down po yung ating Philippine Stock Exchange. Ngayon, on the market status, by the way, before I proceed, we have a new subscriber, si Kendrick Wong. So, welcome Kendrick, and meron po siyang request, BHI. So, unahin po natin si BHI. And then we'll be reviewing ALIC, ACEN, ICT, BPI, MEG, GLOW, MONDE. So, yun po yung 10 stocks na ating re-reviewin today. Okay, so let's now take a look at the first stock request ni Kendrick, BHI. Okay, let's put up our indicators first. Right, so BHI is, well, looking good. It is up actually. It ended down today, but overall it is bullish. Since our RSI is at 57, which is a bullish indicator, and our candlesticks, no, formation, yung 20, 50, and 100-day exponential moving averages represented by the orange, blue, and black lines respectively are under the candlestick. So bullish po siya, and yung levels na pwede nating tignan is on the resistance level. The nearest resistance that I see, the first resistance actually that I see is at 10.75 centavos. That's 10.70 to 10.80. By the way, when I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. So the first level of resistance is nasa 10.70 to 10.80 centavos, while the next level ay nandito po siya. Yan, sa 11.70 to 11.80 centavos. So bullish po si Boulevard, although ano po siya, it is a red candlestick, and there is net foreign buying on the stock with 140,000 in volume. Okay, so after that, let's take a look at ALI. Okay, ALI is also bullish, but it is now on a pullback. So kung i-apply din natin ang Elliott wave, nasa second pullback level na po ito, yung second correction niya, and expect another surge in the coming days. So it ended 10 centavos lower, but later on, or in the coming days, expect a surge or a breakout on the stock. Kung naniniwala po kayo sa Elliott wave theory, based on the Elliott wave theory. So after ALI, it is bullish actually because our candlesticks or our indicators are below the candlesticks. Then after ALI is ACEN. Si ACEN, alam niyo po, ilang beses ko na po ito sinasabi, tatahimik lang to. Pero actually, magandang stock po ito kasi maganda po yung mga projects niya. So kung titignan po natin, it has been moving on a at this level for quite some time. Kung titignan niyo po, February 2021 hanggang ngayon, yan lang po yung level na tinitingnan niya. Pero obserbahan niyo lang po kasi yung next level ng resistance natin, nandito po sa 934. At maganda naman po ang earnings ni ACEN, but sooner or later, the fundamentals kasi precedes the technicals So sooner or later, maaring tumaas po yung stock na yan because the company is a very good company with very good projects. And at the back of that company is Ayala Corporation that manages this energy company. Then after that is ICT, one of my favorite stocks. Okay, ICT is still bullish although it ended in the red today, losing 1 peso. Pero pataas po yung kanyang stock, 150 po yung 152-week high. And there was net foreign buying with RSI bullish at 64. So maganda pong stock itong ICT as the economy opens up. And then after ALI, BPI, or ICT is BPI. Okay, BPI is, in some sort of consolidation. So nagkaroon siya ng recovery dito. The surge dito, nag-pull back, merong recovery here, and then it is still in a pullback. But based on our indicators, yung ating RSI is bullish at 58, and our indicators are below the candlesticks, which indicate a bullish trend. Yung next resistance level niya ay 88.70 to 88.80. Yan po ang BPI. Pagkatapos po ay Meralco. Meralco, isa pang magandang kumpanya ito. Yan. Naku, nag-drop siya to 275. Kasi maganda na sana siya, pero nag-drop siya sa 275. So nearest resistance nandito po sa 285. And then after that, the next resistance level would be here at 294.50. Yan po ang Meralco. Pero yung support level niya, nandito po sa 270. So, pwede po tayong maglaro dyan. Ang pinaka nearest resistance niya is 285. So, right now, it is, well, on a bearish side. Sideways to bearish po ang movement ni Meralco. Then, after Meralco, we have Globe. Ang BPI, Globe, at saka Ayala Corporation, mga sister companies po yan. Whereas yung PLDT, Meralco, and Maynila, Metro Pacific companies po yan. Okay, Glow is ended with the doji, but based on our indicators, bearish po yung dating niya, no? Yung sa short term, it appears to be bullish pa rin. Pero on the long term, bearish po yung dating ni Globe, ano? And yung kanyang support level, nandito po siya malapit sa 1800. 1800 po yung support level niya with support, resistance rather, nandito po sa 1870. So 1800 to 1870 ang support and resistance niya respectively. So, in general, it is just sideways to bearish ang kanyang movement. Then finally, we have MONDE. Okay, MONDE, naku, nag-recover si MONDE actually. Pero wala pa tayong masasabi dyan. Let's see nga if we have the 30-minute indicator. Nothing. Nag-dip lang siya dito ng konti. But in general, it is based on a 30-minute indicator, sideways yung kanyang movement. May konting dip lang ng konti. Tingnan natin sa 1 hour. Ganon din. So I cannot place a conclusion on MONDE. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market, June 7, 2021. Magpabakuna ng maaga nang di maabala. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, ang investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-subscribe at pagtangkilik at pag-view ng aking channel. God bless and bye for now.